the Arab Contractors company, an entity that has a past to be proud of, present to build, and a bright future to look forward at. The High Dam in Aswan was a great educational institution for the Arab Contractors, to train technical personnel capable of building and reconstruction. And praise be to God, I am proud of building the personality of employees in the Arab Contractors. In a rapidly developing world, the vision of the Arab Contractors kept pace with providing a more sustainable environment, enhancing the economic development and promoting the countries where it spreads. All of this can be achieved through the Arab Contractors company, the leading construction company in the Middle East and Africa, that implements a wide range of integrated construction and infrastructure services across 29 countries, including vast spectrum in all fields and specialties. Whereas these fields diversify, starting from construction to engineering and consultancy, through a network of regional subsidiaries, supported by a workforce of more than 70,000 manpower, with a heritage of experience in construction and engineering sector expanding from 1955. Such long-standing company with this huge regional spread has more than one sector, enabling it to achieve the client's goals. Thanks to its extensive experience, the Arab Contractors company implemented a range of strategic important projects in different sectors and industries, including but not limited to, for bridge projects in the infrastructure sector. The company has achieved a new world record in Guinness World Records for constructing Tahir Masrah Bridge, the widest cable-stayed bridge in the world. In addition to a proven record in the field of bridges construction that extends for more than 50 years, the roads and transportation networks are another fields of the company's experience, where for the first time in Egypt, the Arab Contractors has implemented and participated in the construction of a connecting network between the main urban areas and the new administrative capital, in addition to vast smart transportation projects, including but not limited to the monorail, the high-speed rail, HSR, and the light rail transit, LRT, which is a considerable quantum leap, creating a new sociable reality and changing conceptual services for citizens. As for the new metro lines, the Arab Contractors company has participated in the construction of different metro lines in Greater Cairo. In the field of tunnels, the company has constructed Port Said Tunnels project, having a significant importance in the development of Eastern Suez Canal National Project. Furthermore, the Arab Contractors company aims to improve the water and sanitation infrastructure through performing international alliances for implementing various projects in this field. For instance, the water treatment plant in the 10th of Ramadan with a daily 1.2 million cubic meters capacity, as well as the giant Al Jabal Al Asfar plant and its supplementary stages, with 2.9 million cubic meters per day. This is in addition to the Eastern water treatment and purification plant in Alexandria with a capacity of 800,000 cubic meters per day, generating electricity from the sludge produced from methane. In this field, the company has achieved several records in Guinness World Records through the project of Bar El Bakar water treatment plant, having a capacity of 5.6 million cubic meters per day. Bar El Bakar is the world's largest water treatment plant that refines wastewater and sludge, in addition to generating and operating ozone gas. The company also constructs special marine works through various projects, including ports in Al Dakhila, Alexandria, East Port Said, Damietta, Al Ain Al Sukna, and Al Arish, which effectively contribute in economic growth. It also has a great experience in dredging works, which is evidently apparent in Barulus Lake project. The Arab Contractors has contributed in establishing a civilized front for Egypt through the rehabilitation of Alexandria Library. Of this massive iconic project, which is considered as an intellectual civilized beacon for the world and a communication path between human civilizations. In the new administrative capital, the Arab Contractors had a sparkling modern touch through implementing public governmental, administrative, and strategic buildings, including the Senate. Al Fatah Al Alim Mosque, being one of the largest mosques worldwide, Egypt Islamic Cultural Center, the residential neighborhood and central parks, as well as the new parliament, through which the Arab Contractors has won the award of the best project in the category of governmental buildings projects in the ENR American Magazine for the year 2021. Concerning the energy sector, the company has acted unilaterally in national projects for generating hydropower and thermal energy, including both phases of the Korimat Power Station project, the Suez Power Plant, etc. The Arab Contractors also owns Masraya River Press and naval dockyards in Ismailia that support the company's manufacturing and installation operations of giant metal facilities, in addition of being the most professional expert in the field of constructing and rehabilitating hotels and floating restaurants in the Nile River to serve the tourism sector. The Arab Contractors owns the construction services sector, including specialized departments and several factories. The Arab Contractors also has significant experienced equipment sector with a huge number of equipment that provide a wide range of services for the company's projects. Regarding the residential, touristic, and new integrated cities sector, such as Alamein City Towers, the Arab Contractors company has participated in the establishment of New Mansoura City, one of the fourth-generation cities. This is in addition to Mars Pero Towers included in the state scheme to develop unplanned regions. In addition to the coastal resort of Gal Ala, which is one of the most important touristic spots in the city of El Ain El Sukna, on the Red Sea. Preserving our cultural heritage. The Arab Contractors keens to restore and rehabilitate our ancient monuments including Al-Moez Eldin Ala Al-Fatimi Street, and a vast number of ancient mosques, including Al-Hussein Mosque, the Hanging Chair, and St. George churches in ancient Egypt, as well as the Jewish synagogue in Alexandria. It is worth mentioning our considerable contribution in transferring the statue of King Ramses II to the Grand Egyptian Museum, through utilizing high technical engineering methods. Our company's success is not only limited internally, but also extended externally in Africa and the Middle East, achieving international recognitions and awards. For instance, the project of Julius Nyerere hydroelectric power plant, being a national project in Tanzania, and one of the largest projects in the African continent and worldwide. The Arab Contractors was keen to provide many distinguished services to its employees and their families, and provided the highest levels of comprehensive social and medical care through its medical center and the AC Sports Club, which is an integrated sports city that achieved local and African championships. Aiming for a more sustainable world, the Arab Contractors' vision aspires to implement an integrated entity including Egyptian people and society, along with the countries through which it operates by establishing effective partnerships locally and regionally to achieve the expectations of our customers, and for creating a better life quality. The Arab Contractors Company. A history of building and construction.